Hello guys, once again welcome back to my YouTube channel Crypto Daily. In today's video we are going to answer a daily quiz for XENEA Wallet. So let's answer together with you. Let's claim our daily point here. Congratulations, we've been getting 111 points. Let's go for the quiz here. So without making the video to be long, so the question of the day it is, what is the significance of token governance in a project? So it's number 2, which is B. It allowed the token holder to vote on project decision. So congratulations, we have been clicking the correct answer. So let's get more. So let's go for a mission. Since we have right 2 missions that we need to being collected, useful and extra. Let's click on chicken. Congratulations. Let's click on extra. Congratulations. So here it is. So if this is the first time to cross my YouTube channel, kindly click the subscribe button, click the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload the video. Thank you.